Guy in building right here on orange. On a fucking radar.
There's another dude coming from the south. He's trying to get. He's moving on us.
Going up top.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Knocked his armor. Knocked his armor. Did you get him?
He's down. He's down. Yeah.
The guy is smoking about here.
Team wipe.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Cool.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, I got zebra print for that.
Oh, that's a lot of
No,
UAVs.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Downed him. Dead.
Oh shit! Who got the recon?
Oh damn. There's somebody in there probably up that. Upstairs there's two. There's two and they just lifted somebody up.
Flyover.
Sitting on the stairs inside that house.
I got
Run out.
Oh, up
Gas is
here.
closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Down somebody.
There's three in that house.
Downed him.
Eliminate. Oh shit!
Yo, play
No,
that.
no! No! Oh, there's a down guy on me.
Yo, what a play!
Plates.
Played up, bro.
Was that a
Have
wipe?
UAV. Pop that
That was a
UAV.
wipe. That was a wipe. Okay.
Alright, you guys have enough for us if you can find a buy station.
Mark, a good one.
There's probably some more money upstairs too.
There's a squad moving in on you from that way.
You guys need plates?
You hear me? There's people moving in on you.
I got it. I got it.
Here, let's just go hit that buy station. We got a ton of money.
I think there's a guy dropping in. He's above us on like bare ground.
Oh,
Gas is closing in. UAV is out of fuel. Returning to resupply.
Mark it.
Dropping into the AO.
Broken armor. Right here.
I can't jump up on it.
Nice.
Above me. 17, this way.
I got you. I got you.
9. I hear multiple footsteps.
Hold on.
Getting charged.
Down two.
Oh, dude! I
Bada
think I'm
bing.
there as well. Oh,
Bada bing. Did you watch that, Jasper?
No, I was watching
Yeah.
Tommy actually.
God.
He threw the C4 at the same
I
time.
was Raiden.
Damn.